Day 4, Thinking About Your Thinking. Hi, it's your friendly neighborhood therapist, John here, and welcome back to Day 4 of How to Meditate. Today, I introduce you to the world of mindfulness. It's going to be fun. In this course, we don't just do the same meditation day after day. Instead, we explore different techniques, each of which give us different insights into who we are and how our mind works. In today's session, we're still focusing on developing our muscle of concentration. But instead of just focusing on concentration, we're going to be doing a superset and incorporating learning about a new muscle, and that's the muscle of clarity. Clarity is our awareness muscle. With enough practice, we can actually learn how to pop out of our thoughts and watch them go by. I like to envision that our thoughts are like leaves floating down a river. With enough practice, we can learn to sit down, relax, and just observe them as they float by. This place of being able to observe your thoughts and think about your thinking is the beginning of sanity. And at this current moment, the world could use a lot more sanity. So let's do our part and get started. Okay, so find your meditative position. Eyes can be open or closed. And let's start by taking a couple of deep breaths in. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. As you take another deep breath in, I want you to bring your full attention to the feeling of the incoming breath. And then as you exhale out, there's a downward motion, like you're allowing yourself to sink into the cushion. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. As you start to take another deep breath in, it's like you're stretching up the spine. And then as you exhale out, it's like you're breathing out any tension. Really allowing yourself to relax your face and your jaw, easing any tension in the shoulders. Don't forget to loosen the worry lines in your forehead and just let your whole body relax for a second. And then from this place, we perform the all-important meditative vibe check. The vibe we're going for, easy going. We're not super tense. We're not worrying about things needing to be perfect. We're just being able to accept things for how they are. In meditation, we are realists. We always start with where we are. If we feel restless or agitated or sad, well, that's just how it is today. We can still meditate. A lot of people have the misconception that meditation is avoidance, that when we meditate, our aim is to put our thoughts to the side so we can think about nothing. These people couldn't be any more wrong. Meditation begins with the mature acceptance of what's already happening. Okay, so find a home base, something to pay attention to. Most people like working with the feeling of the breath, But it can also be some other body sensation, like the feeling of air on your skin, or the warmth of your hands. Or it can be some external sound like the hum of a fridge, or birds, or distant traffic. Whatever you decide, choose something and then make a commitment to stay with it, but in a relaxed way. So, no strain on your face, you're just relaxed. Beautiful. So, the idea is we're just enjoying the simplicity of breathing, of being with our home base, and we're kind of getting into it, into just doing this one simple thing. So you'll notice that sometimes as we do this, we get hijacked by our thoughts. It's like we're trapped inside this thought bubble and we've lost complete awareness of our breath, of our home base, of the fact that we're even meditating. This is dissociation, and it's our monkey mind at work. And this is completely normal. When it happens, try to get curious and notice that it happened. Because as soon as you notice you're thinking, you're no longer inside it. That's the superpower we call clarity. And it's the second muscle we're developing in meditation. Again, clarity is awareness. It's our ability to pop out into the broader bandwidth of our own awareness. From this place, we now have a choice. Do I want to keep thinking, or do I want to go back to resting my attention on my home base? So when this happens, make your choice and then recommit. That's what it means to work out the muscle of clarity. Today's session is learning how not to be trapped inside your thoughts and choosing what you want to focus on. You're doing a great job. Keep going. Okay, so we just have a minute or so here. Remember, this meditation, we're choosing to fill up the space of our mind with the simple activity of breathing or feeling or hearing. That's our choice. And when we get distracted by thinking or daydreaming or dissociation, we notice this, we pop out, and then we make a conscious choice to recommit to our home base. Almost done. Good. And now even let that go. There's no agenda. Let yourself drift off however you want here at the end. This is how we control our thoughts. We don't try to force them to stop. Rather, the smart move here is to notice them, which immediately pops us into a bigger space. That bigger space is where awareness begins. And as we meditate over the next couple of days and weeks and years of our lives, that space will only get bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay, you can open your eyes. Tomorrow, we learn how to do absolutely nothing. Until then, God bless.